The target that we've set ourselves is to offer a booster to everyone eligible by the end of January. And as with the first jabs, we'll be working through people by age group, going down in 5-year bands, because it's vital that the older and the more clinically vulnerable get that added protection first. So even if you've had your second jab over 3 months ago and you're now eligible, please don't try and book until the NHS says it's your turn. We've already done almost 18 million boosters across the UK, but we've got millions more to do to protect the most vulnerable. Then we'll move down the cohorts rapidly, and working together with the devolved administrations, we want to ramp up capacity across the whole United Kingdom to the levels we achieved in the previous vaccination effort.